Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you are new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. After watching this video, if you find some values, so subscribe and like. And below the video, you will find many links. The top 4 links are for those people who wants to make money in swing trading. Okay, so the first link says swing trading on automation, so you can click on this link, then come to this page here, and then this is the the software I have created, which you can install on your chart and start your daily swing trading. Okay, so maybe I'm the first human on the planet to automate daily swing trading, so I have transferred my human knowledge into this robot, and everything is created by me. So if you want to automate the whole process of daily charts into trading, then check out the first link below which says swing trading on automation. Then second link is about join free Telegram. So make sure you connect with my free Telegram at least if you want to get some signals every now and then, or you want to stay updated. So join Telegram absolutely for free. Just below that, you have a link which says join premium signals. So in case you want to get some premium signals, you can check that out. And then check out the brokers in the prop firm right here. And make sure you join these brokers because I have been using them for last maybe 4 years and more. And they have, no issues in withdrawals, because when you are into trading, the biggest problem is if your broker will pay you the money on time or not, or if they will run away with your money. Okay, so these are those trusted brokers in the pro firms. So go and join them to start your trading journey. Subscribe, like all of that, and check out these links. As I said, top 4 links are for traders, and these below links are for affiliate marketing. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube or other stuff. Okay, so you can check out everything. Top 4 belongs to the traders, right? And especially if you want to automate everything, then check out the first one and come to this page. Watch this video to see the results. Now subscribe, like blah blah blah. Now let's start the analysis. Alrighty, USDCAD analysis. So let's start the top-down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly. Look at the EMA. Okay, so sometimes you just have to use common sense. You see here, the EMA. So from here, you see once this bullish candle in weekly was formed in October 2024 last year, then the EMA turned up. Okay, so EMA turned up, and then you see what happened. Okay, same thing here, bullish candle, EMA turning up. Common sense. Okay, that we are gonna go for this high. Haha. You see, this is your TP1 in weekly. Okay, nobody can stop the price from reaching this TP or this high. Bye bye. Coming back to daily time frame. Daily. Okay, this is your entry, long entry. What are you waiting for? You don't get this setup every day. Okay, rejection from the EMA, that's your long entry. What the hell are you waiting for here? Just go and get it. Okay, coming back to 4 hour, if you go and watch my yesterday's video, I told you that when these two red candles will be eaten by the blue candle and closes above the EMA in 4 hour, that's your freaking entry. What are you waiting for? This blue candle, exactly what happened I told you yesterday. Go and watch my yesterday's video. I said blue candle will eat these two red candles. That's what happened and closed above the EMI. That's your confirmation of the continuation of the uptrend. All right. Subscribe, like, share if that's not too much.